Hello friends, welcome to Momentum Stocks. In today's video we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and I am going to give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session. That would be on November 4th. I hope you had a profitable expiry, friends. Now see what happened in Nifty, and before we proceed on Nifty, the stocks that we gave yesterday, I gave buy on SBI Life. Okay, and what happened? SBI Life had a kind of inverted head and shoulder pattern, is what we discussed about. There was a clear breakout here. Okay, and a retest here. So we can enter at this retest or even at this breakout. It was more or less sideways, friends. It did not go ahead and achieve these targets. That was only because of the expiry. If you have positions on SBI Life, nothing nothing, you can just hold the positions and wait for these targets. They are easily achievable, friends. Coming to NTPC gave a gap down. Entire market was gap down. Obviously NTPC will also be a gap down. Did the gap covering. This is where it formed a bearish engulfing pattern, friends, in 5 minutes, and from there straight fall. See, our targets were not till here. Till here the targets were met, and we had a good profit booking here as well. Coming to Nifty, what happened in Nifty? Simple, friends. Nifty gap down because of global pressure, obviously, and after the gap down it started moving up, filled the gap. Okay, and at this level where we had multiple rejections, it also got rejection here and started falling. It fell almost till the start, friends, till here. Okay, so it started like this, faced resistance at the resistance zone and came down till this area and made a double bottom kind of a pattern and ended somewhere here. Are we bullish on it? Yes, we are bullish on Nifty now. The reason is simple. We see a clear breakout here. Okay. Coming to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, similar story, gap down, but here it did not stop at the first resistance. It continued to go up. Okay. And came till here. Then it did not go again till here, till the opening. It went only till 38.2%. I'll just draw that for you so that it is clear. So from the bottom to top, see, look at the 38.2%. From there it got rejected and behaved sideways. Now what do we see next? What we see, a attempt to break out multiple times, but that did not happen. There is a possibility of breakout here, and as soon as this breakout is done, we can expect targets for 41,790, friends. Okay, that can be your targets. Coming to analysis for tomorrow, this is where we will buy Nifty, which is at 41,527 and above, friends. Okay, and just to give you a heads up of the global market right now, you can see SGX Nifty is flat to positive, not much of difference. Dow is facing big time challenges because of the Fed meeting that happened recently, friends. Anyways, so impact of Fed is what we saw here, and nothing really bothered Indian market. It straight went and covered the complete gap down that happened because of global trends, friends. Now if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and also hit that bell notification, and we will continue the video after our opening music, friends. So friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks, and as we discussed, after this trendline breakout is what we will create buy positions in Bank Nifty. Talking about Nifty, we can create buy positions immediately. Now when will we create sell positions? Very good question. See friends, this is a trend line. Okay, until when we are on buy side only. Okay, you can see this trend line will be on buy side until the break of this trend line. If you are able to get it here, here, we'll still remain positive and wait for a upward momentum. If in case this trend line is broken and you will see a retest of this trend line, that is when we can create sell positions for gap filling. Gap filling ranges at this area, which is 17,850. Will this happen? I don't think so, but we can create buy positions immediately. Bank Nifty, when will we create sell positions? We can just ignore these candles, friends, for the only reason that is these candles were formed because of global pressure and not our Indian markets. So at the break of this trend line is what we can go ahead and create sell positions, which is very close. So if you look at it, I am suggesting Nifty if you are choosing on buy side, and Bank Nifty if you are choosing on a sell side. Now that doesn't mean that you will sell Bank Nifty at 915 and buy Nifty at 915 and sit like that. No, that's not what I'm saying. We'll wait for a setup, and if we see a setup downside, we'll try to enter in Bank Nifty, and if we see a setup for upside, we'll enter in Nifty. I hope I made that clear, friends. Coming to our buy stock for tomorrow, it is L&T, friends. Simple. Reason is, see, there is a double bottom pattern here. Let me draw that for you. First bottom followed by second bottom and upward momentum. Now we also see a clear cut breakout. Okay, and now any retest of this particular double bottom, any retest anywhere here at 2010 2009 levels is what we can enter, and we can keep a target of 2023 to 2027, friends. That would be our target on a buy side. Now if you are able to, if you see this kind of candles which are green at cross of these levels, which is 2027, we can hold and not book profit here. We'll go ahead and trail our stop loss to achieve this profit, which is 2045, friends. Okay, these levels is what we'll target in that case. When we'll do that, we'll do only in case we see candles like this forming, big red candles which are formed here, similar candles but green. If you see them forming here, that's when we will keep a target of this area, friends. Why am I saying that? Simple, symmetrical pattern. This is your double bottom on a longer time frame, friends. Okay, so the similar kind of pattern is what you can see here, is what we are expecting. Will that happen in one day? Probably not. It might take some time and then start going upwards. Coming to our sell stock for today, that would be Axis Bank, friends. Why are we choosing Axis Bank for a sell? Reason is simple. See, friends, this candle, forget this candle. Okay, consider this candle as global candle. It started its journey from here. Okay, it went straight up. Okay, could not sustain that levels, created a head and shoulder pattern here and started falling. Okay, after this fall, it retested till this level. So what is important here is, see, where we started is exactly where we ended, but on the other side, if you look at Bank Nifty, which is also like Axis Bank, a part of Axis Bank is part of Bank Nifty. So it started here and ended on the top, friends, but Axis Bank could not perform that much. It came and ended somewhere close to the start. That is the reason it is suggested for a sell. When will we sell? We can go ahead and sell at multiple places, friends. I'll give you the exact sell levels so that it is easy. Now if I draw a Fibbo from top to bottom, first point to sell is at 870. Best place to sell is at 873. Okay, this will be the best place to sell. I really wonder if we get 50% level, which is at 875, but that is also a level to sell. And if in case it starts moving downwards right from here, then we'll sell at 866, friends. Our target will be this 862. Okay, and if in case we are getting it here at 875, then your target will be somewhere here 870. Okay, I hope you understood the logic of sell on Axis Bank, buy on LT, and we are not exactly bearish, but if in case there is any negative kind of trade that we are taking, we'll take it in Bank Nifty. Hope you understood the reason for that. And if we are taking a positive trade, we'll take it in Nifty. I hope you understood the reason for that as well. And if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and also hit that bell notification so that you would not be missing on any video or any update that I'm posting on the channel, friends. And we are closing here with our closing music. Thanks for watching.